Hi, thanks for gardening with me. I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my hellebores. They're also called Lenten Roses. They're also called winter roses because they bloom so early in the spring or late in the winter. I like to cut back the dead on mine, and it reveals all the beautiful blooms. Do you have to do that to make your Lenten roses grow? No, you don't. Does it make it look beautiful? Yes, it does, and I'll show you the before and after. So this is just one of the hellebore. It's also called Lenten Rose, also called Winter Rose. This is one of the ones that I'm going to be cleaning up today. And as you can see, there's a lot of crusty leaves on there. And those are never going to come back. They're never going to end up being green as the season progresses. But look, just look at all those beautiful flowers down there. Now I did wait till about now to cut away all the dead because it is giving it some protection, but I think it's time to go ahead and safely do that. Some people say don't clean any of this stuff up until it's consistently in the 55s, which for us would be like May before I could get out into the garden, because they say some beneficials may be nesting in the leaves and things like that, which is true, but there's also things like spider mites and aphids and things like that, pests that are nesting in there too. So I think it's an individual decision that works best for you. For me, I like cleaning up as I go. That way I don't have a big, huge mess to clean up while I've got a bunch of other chores that I could be doing. I have another one here. And this one's kind of done the job for me. As you can see, it's kind of all fallen to the side, but just beautiful. And these started blooming. This is the end of, middle February. It started blooming the beginning of February. And then I have two more in the back that I'll show you. This one, I just love because I can see that nice pop of yellow from my kitchen window. But isn't that just beautiful? And then I have another one back here. Doesn't have a lot of blooms on it. These are just first years. I've only had these for 1 year. Let's see if you can see the flowers in there. Those are going to be beautiful. And then I actually do have one more over here. And this was just planted late in the fall. So those will be flowers too. So it's so exciting. I'm going to get these cleaned up and show you how I do that. This is a mature plant that's been in the ground for probably 8 or 9 years. It does take a while for them to grow this big. And then I know a lot of people that get seedlings that shoot off of them, but I've never had that. So I don't know if this is a sterile variety or what. But I like to cut them off like back here first, where I know there's no new growth, so I can get in there and see what I'm doing. So if you didn't get in and clean out your Lenten roses or your hellebores, you wouldn't see all this beautiful flowers that are coming up. And that would be a shame, because especially this time of year, being able to just see this beauty is so nice. So after I get the leaves cleared away that are out a little bit further, then I go back in and I cut the stems off all the way down to the central part of the plant. You don't want to leave the stems sticking out because they're just going to die and take away from the beauty of the plant.
So I'm going to wait until the blooms fade a little bit in the later spring, and then I will fertilize. You can also fertilize these in the fall. So either way, you're just going to have beautiful blooms super early in the spring when we all need a little bit of color. Thank you so much for gardening with me. God bless and have a great week.